everyone, and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Today's meditation is designed to receive healing from angels. There are so many angels around us that want to help, that want to heal us, that want to assist us, that want to guide us. Now, the most important thing to remember when working with angels is free will. These beautiful beings cannot intervene unless we ask, unless we request it. And so today we are going to give ourselves a wonderful blessing, as well as giving these beautiful angels a task to do, which they are very happy to do. And so let's begin. Let's call forth the angels of healing. We invite their light, their presence, their love, and their energy now. And feeling a beautiful celestial white light shine around you. This beautiful, healing, warm, unconditional love is all around you now. And we invite this light to surround us, to surround the space that we're in, to clear and cleanse the energies around us, to uplift the frequencies, and to open up our energy to receive this healing, this love, this guidance. And now as you breathe in, you will breathe in this light, this frequency. And I want you to invite it into your heart. And feel how this light opens your heart, activates your heart. And just taking a moment now to invite and enjoy this energy, to feel it open you up and warm your heart. And now guiding this light to move and wrap itself around your spine, from the bottom of your spine, moving its way through and up each vertebra. And as it reaches your chest, it begins to spread like the roots of a tree and beyond you. And this light begins to transform into angel wings. Beautiful, big angel wings. And as these wings spread, you feel the power and the support of your angels. And now those wings begin to wrap themselves around you. And you find yourself inside these wings. This is where the healing will continue. This is where the magic happens. And you are feeling safe, cradled, supported, and loved. So much love from these angels. The wings begin to glow even more, shining this celestial light, and you are completely surrounded and within this light. We now invite this healing to find anything that needs healing within your body, so it can repair every cell, every muscle, every bone, nerves, and any organ that needs this love and this frequency now. And now we invite this light to heal the mind from thoughts, beliefs, and negativity that may be creating experiences and or illnesses in your body. And now we invite this light to heal each chakra that is blocked and that needs to open up, that needs attention and love. And now we invite this light to heal our energy, any energetic blocks, karmatic patterns, anything at all that is preventing us from living and embodying our highest potential. And now we invite this light to heal anything else that needs the healing, the support, the love, the guidance. And I want you really to take some time to enjoy this energy, this purity, this magic. And as the healing is being completed, the wings open up once more. And you feel new. You feel fresh, recharged. And gently and slowly, that beautiful white light returns to its original source. Your wings gently returning back, fading away, but always there with you. And taking a moment of love, of gratitude for this healing. And it's time to return now, so slowly, slowly expanding your awareness back to your body, back into the space that you're in. Feeling your breath gently and slowly bringing yourself back, no rush. And when it feels right, you can begin to wiggle your toes and your fingers. Gently and slowly returning. And when it feels right, open your eyes.